What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to unhide your balance on Revolut app, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's jump to the topic, but previously, if you have any questions or issues with Revolut, make sure to check out our previous Revolut videos, and if we did not cover some topic, make sure to write it down in the comments and we will try to help you. So there is a possibility that you have a blurry balance on Revolut, and why is that? So if your balance is blurry, the security settings hiding your balance is likely on. So you can just turn it on, or maybe it was turned on out of security. You just don't want anybody to mess with your phone. You don't want your balance to be shown if you're entering the app while you're in the company of your friends or any other persons. You don't want them to see how much money maybe you can actually hide your balance, or maybe it was already hidden. So how to unhide it? To switch off this setting, go to the top left circle showing your picture or initials in your Revolut app. Select security and privacy, and then from the drop down menu select hide balances. Then you can tap it on or tap it off. If you tap it on, it will be activated and your balance will be blurry. And if you want to deactivate it and you want to unhide your balance, you can just toggle it off to deactivate it, or toggle it on to deactivate it. Check the main screen, your balance should be visible again, and to hide your balance, follow the same instructions. Just when you're in hide balance, toggle it off to hide it again. So overall guys, that would be the entirety of the process on how to unhide your Revolut balance. Hopefully this video helped you a bit, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.